is the 2x12 Jensen video. My volume is at 3 o'clock, or excuse me, it's at 3 on the dial. My treble is at 8, and my bass is at 7. Reverb is at 6. If you remember from my last video with the Gibson GA5 amplifier, I was having a little bit of battle raffle issue. It was exactly what I thought it was. I put a little bit more screw action going on here and here, and it is going well. There is a little bit quicker action with the 4x10 and a little bit more volume than the 2x12. I think definitely country pickers style guitarists are definitely going to like this 4x10. All around utility guitarists, definitely that 2x12 is your cabinet. Both of them sound terrific. To the bridge pickup. Back to the neck. If you'd like me to throw any like dirt pedals, I've got a couple JHS or an old Ibanez tube screamer, which sounds great with this Princeton, as you can imagine. Please don't take this down for that stupid riff. Both cabinets are for sale. I'll have the price in the listing and on both of these videos. Check my page if you haven't seen it yet. They are up there. Thank you guys.